Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can download and install GTA San Andreas on your Android or on your iOS device. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store in Android and App Store on iOS, and you need to search for GTA San Andreas. Let me search. Okay, click on that. Here you can see that Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, and here you can see that it is original game. Here you can see screenshots by Rockstar Games. So you simply need to click here to purchase that game by adding your card details here. Once you buy, you can easily enjoy that game in your smartphone without any issue. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.